everyone still following the paper certificates only. They have to send the certificate to the particular university or particular college. This is the base paper you are going to consider. The proposed system. The proposed system uses QR code VPY to run the main code. Date of relieving was January 26th. Hello everyone, welcome to IEEE Expert. Today we are going to see project about blockchain based student certificate validation. This is the project which you are going to discuss today. You know about student certificate. Currently in our city or in our country, everyone still following the paper certificates only. The main drawback of the paper certificate was it may be tamper. Anyone can print certificate. That's the main drawback of this one. Actually, if you are submitting one certificate to the college or university work people means what they have to do means they have to validate the certificate. But what they are doing means still they are following traditional method. What's the meaning of traditional method means? To manually verify the certificate authenticity. That's what they are doing still. But the main problem was no one will following these steps due to the time consumption. Everyone avoiding to validate or verify the certificate. That is the main problem. Due to this factor, the forgery certificates, duplicate certificates ratio increase. That is the main issue here. To overcome this problem, what we are going to do means we are going to introduce the digital certificate. Digital certificate means you don't need to carry the paper certificate with you. It's completely a digital certificate. But the main drawback was anyone can ask you. The digital certificate means can I produce using the Photoshop? Anyone can produce using Photoshop. Main drawback will be the Photoshop, tamper free, like that they will ask you. But the main motto of this project was we are going to introduce blockchain here. You all know about the blockchain technology. Blockchain technology means it's more secure technology. That's what we are going to adopt with this project. We are going to take blockchain algorithm. We are going to introduce our certificate to the blockchain algorithm. What blockchain algorithm will do means it will convert all the certificates into digital format, blockchain format. Blockchain means it's completely tamper free. Okay, no one can able to reproduce the blockchain data. If you try to replicate or if you try to modify the certificate, digital certificate means it will create as a duplicate blockchain. So while verifying the certificate, the blockchain data will not be synced with the blockchain network. So it will mention as a duplicate certificate, modified certificate, not a valid certificate. So that's what we are going to do with this project. Blockchain based certificate validation system we are going to implement. To implement this project, we need two technologies. One is blockchain, another one is Python. So two technologies we are using. Why we are using Python here means we have to make sure one UI for teacher, student and company for creating certificate, for downloading certificate, for validation certificate. So for this purpose, we are creating three different peoples in our project, three different users with our project. Here, how the blockchain applying means, if you are uploading certificate, one certificate with the teacher's model mean, what it will do means it will collect all the data. While you are uploading certificate, you are mentioning that student name, student date of birth, how much mark he scored, what is the year of past, how much academic score he obtained. Those data automatically passing to the blockchain network. What it will do means it will convert all the values into blockchain hash format, Ethereum format. Those Ethereum data are stored real time. We are storing into the blockchain platform. So while you are verifying the blockchain data, so you are a student, you are logging with your login data, you are downloading your certificate means those blockchain codes are attached with your digital certificate, but you cannot see the hash values and all. If you are trying to modify the certificate means the back end of the hash code also will be changed, modified. So if you are submitting this duplicate certificate with the employer or verifier means, well, they have to upload the certificate to our blockchain network. What our blockchain network will do means it will verify all the hash data associated with the certificate. If the hash data are not matching with the exact certificate chain network means it will mention that certificate as a tampered certificate. Same time, if you are uploading this original certificate means those blockchain data cannot be modified, you know. So while validating, it will say it's a original certificate. That's what we are going to do. But the main advantage of this project was you can easily carry your digital certificate. It's a completely tamper free. Also, the employer can verify any number of certificate within fraction of second. That's the main advantage of this project. That's what we are going to implement with this project. Please connect with this video. In this video, we do explain complete proposed system, existing system of the project with the project presentation. We do give the complete demo, project running demo of this project. Please connect with the video, get more details. This is the base paper you are going to consider. Ethereum blockchain based technology of decentralized smart contract certificate system. This is the IEEE base paper, and one more base paper also available. 2 base paper we can consider for this project. In this base paper, they are taken educational architecture for the certificate verification. For example, they are taken certificate agency, and then they admitted one admin for that. What admin will do means, he will collect all the student data. He will submit those data into the cloud. Those cloud having certificate manager. Certificate manager will automatically convert that certificate data, student data into certificate, and then those data are saved in the form of blockchain hashing data. For that hashing data conversion, they have used SHA 256 algorithm. They have used SHA 256 as a main algorithm. But the main drawback of SHA 256 was, it was less secure when compared to our proposed system. In our proposed system, we are going to consider SHA-512. SHA-512 as a major algorithm. That's what we are going to do. Let's move on to our proposed system. We do directly explain the proposed system, existing system, drawback, and everything in a presentation format. Let's move on to the project presentation. This is the project presentation which we are going to explain today. The project titled as Certificate Validation Using Blockchain Technology. This is the project title which we are considered. The main objective of the project was, we have to introduce a blockchain technology. The blockchain technology is emerging as well as a potential technology for authenticating every documents in the world. So we are considering educational certificate as our document here. This project aims to enhance the security as well as carryable, flexibility in our certificate generation. That's what we are going to do today. The project identifies the main drawback in the main gap in the certificate duplication. It will give the major solution for the certificate security system. The abstract of the project considers we have to make sure the digital academic certificate instead of that paper certificate. So the increased security breaches lead to the compromise of the user privacy in academic technology. So what we are going to do means, we have to introduce the blockchain technology to overcome the security breaches. That's what we are going to do in this project. Main problem was, now everyone having knowledge on Photoshop, digital certificate generation and everything, Photoshop, image duplication as well as video editing. Those skills are automatically migrated for the drawback of the system also. So everyone can generate any certificate, any institute certificate. That's the main drawback. So skillfully generated certificates are always cannot be detected. That's the main drawback. To overcome this only, we are going to introduce this project. So this is the literature survey of the project. We are considering 8 literature survey of the existing system, proposed system and everything here. Main existing system was, everyone still using electronic file of paper certificate only, everyone still using. Also in the base paper, they used Hyperledger platform to store and verify the blockchain. Main drawback of the Hyperledger platform was, it cannot be used as the public blockchain. It's a private blockchain technology. Individual persons cannot use those technologies. That's the main drawback of the base paper. Hyperledger platform mostly used for the B2B purpose, business to business transaction only. Mostly it's not suitable for the what I'm going to say. Mostly it's not suitable for the educational platform. That's the main drawback here. The proposed system uses QR code. We are majorly using QR code for our project verification. Using this QR code, what we are going to do means, we are going to generate a digital certificate. We have to generate digital certificate using blockchain technology. Those blockchain data are stored in the QR code format. Those QR code only going to distribute to the each and every student. What student have to do means, they have to collect that QR code. We have to submit in the certificate format to the company person. Those who are providing job for them, they have to give that QR code data to them. They can verify the certificate using uploading the QR code. That's what we are going to do here. The main process involved here is, Here we are using SHA-512, SHA-512 algorithm. We are using SHA-512 algorithm, which is very more security algorithm when compared to the existing system, which is very more security system. That's what we are going to do here. Also, we are using Ethereum platform to store and retrieve those data in the blockchain format. Ethereum used to generate the smart contract between the verifier as well as student as well as admin of the system. So Ethereum only we are using here. So recipient as well as student, anyone can validate or verify their certificate. This is the project architecture. Here, institute can connect with this interface. They can enter the student data. They can generate any number of certificates. Those certificates are stored in the database with the blockchain technology. Student can log in into their data. They can download that certificate. Then they have to submit that certificate to the employer. Employer also having user interface. They can upload the QR code in this platform. It will give the certificate data that is valid or not. That's what we are going to do here. Main advantages was it's more transparent as well as confidential. Two things we are combining here. No one can able to forge this content as well as it's very transparent. Anyone can see your certificate, but they cannot modify those data. As well as it can be run on offline also, no need internet connection. That also more advantage of this project. You can validate any number of certificate. There is no restriction, 100 certificate, 200 certificate per day. You can certificate any number of certificate. This is more accurate project when compared to the previous system. This is also more accurate system. Also provides more security when compared to the previous model. Models of the project having 4 modules. Algorithm, as I mentioned earlier, we are using SHA-512 algorithm. We given algorithm steps also here. Implementation having 4 modules: user interface module, blockchain creation module, QR based blockchain code generation module, then verification module. Those are the 4 modules involved here. System involvement, you need minimum 4 GB of RAM to run this system. As well as we are using Python and HTML for running and verification, creating this project. Database, we are using Ethereum blockchain for storing all those data. Here you are using Anaconda ID for executing this project. Reference for this project also given. While purchasing this project, you can get all the things. Let's move on to the project demo section. Let's move on to the project demo. To run this project, we have to go to the project code folder. This is the project code folder. Here we are having main code. This is the project main code you have to run. Just copy the project location. Just open the Anaconda Navigator. In the Anaconda Navigator, open the project terminal. This is the project environment there. cd space paste the project location, then give it enter. Then type python space main.py to run the main code. Once you enter the main code means it will generate the website address. This is the URL. Just copy the URL, paste it on any browser. Just I'm pasting on my Edge browser. Once you paste it means it will go to the home page. This is the project home page. So you can see the project home page already loaded. Once you go to the login means, in the login you have to use username password. I have given admin as a username, password as a password, password as a password. You can change this also. It depends upon your convenience, you can change also. Just give login. So once login successful means you can verify the blockchain. Already any status stored means you have to verify that. Just give verify blockchain. Once verified means all nodes of blockchains are valid. You can see the terminal. The data are converted into the hash format. Now you can add any new certificate. Just click new certificate. That's it. Let's add one new certificates. Just go to add certificate. I'm just giving student name as Kumar. Student department as CSE I'm giving. CSE. Then student name as Kumar I'm giving. Academic year will be 2023. So registration number I'm giving 112255 I'm giving. Joining date for the student I'm giving as a 2021 I'm giving February joining date. And the end date will be December 2023, December 22. This is the end date. His code overall mark 95 I'm giving. We have to upload the certificate, that paper certificate, printed certificate, digital certificate of that person. So we have to upload the mark sheet. just go to choose file. I already created in the certificate format, PDF format. So I already created. Let's open and show you for you. So some certificates I already added. Just to show you, this is the certificates I'm going to upload with this. This is the certificate I'm going to upload with this. Some sort of certificate. Just upload in your project. Just I'm uploading this one. Personality, contact us, I'm giving a good person. Just submit. So once you submitted means those data are converted into hash format. Certificate added successfully to the blockchain. The certificate added to the Ethereum network added successfully. You can see the hash data here. So this is the hash data. Complete data converted into the hash format. You see, this is the hash data of that particular certificate. How we can verify means in the last step we can see the uploaded data also. You can see personality, good student. See, let's see, all the data are always converted into hash format. This is the blockchain data. You can't decode those data. So this is the data. Complete certificate uploaded into the blockchain form. Okay, this is the hash data. Then what I'm doing means I'm adding one more student. To add one more student, what I'm going to do means add certificates. One more student I'm adding in the ACE department. Name will be Ramesh I'm giving. Academic year will be 2024 I am giving this time. Register number will be 112266 I am giving. So date of joining was I am giving as a 2021 I am giving. 2021 July 8 I am giving. So end date will be January 19th end date. So mark will be he scored 80 marks. Certificate of that person was, this is the certificate. Personality also I am giving good. Just give submit. So certificate added to the blockchain successfully. Let's go out to the terminal. You can see the another data. So another data you can see. This also hashed successfully. So what I'm going to do means, now I'm going to do logout. That's it. Go to the project folder. In the project folder, you can find QR codes tab. In the QR code tab, you can find Kumar Ramesh. That person certificate digitally converted into QR code with blockchain hashing. This is the QR code for Ramesh, as well as this is the QR code for Kumar. Now we can add one more certificate. For example, again I am using admin password I am using. Now I am going to add Ramya certificate. What I am going to do means go to department. Now I am adding IT department. So name will be Ramya. So academic year will be 2024 I am giving. Registered number will be 115577 I am giving. So date will be somewhat 2022 March 10. Date of relieving was January 26th. Mark key code 99. Upload one more certificate. This is the Ramya certificate I am uploading. Personality also good. Just submit. Once you have submitted means now go to QR code folder. You can find Ramya QR code here. So those certificates always converted into hash format. You upload a digital certificate. There is digital certificate into blockchain. Blockchain converted into QR code. That's it. Now, if we are a employer, you have to verify the certificate was genuine or not. Means just you have to scan the QR code. That's enough. The system will automatically connect to the Ethereum network. It will verify the certificate is genuine or not. Just upload the QR code. That's it. You can scan it to mobile also. For recording purpose, I am using QR scanner, QR code reader plugin. So this is a QR code reader plugin which you are using in the Chrome browser, anything. Just use image tab and go to project folder. In the project folder, I am using certificate validation. Certificate validation I am uploading. So go to code. Then you have to use QR code. In the QR code, I am uploading Ramya's QR code. That's it. Once you upload it means it will generate the link. Just click this link, that's enough. Once you click that link means it will give the certificate. This is the hash certificate of that certificate. This is the hash certificate. Just click verify. So if you clicking means see certificate is authentic. Ramya certificate, department IT, then Ramya, year, all the data are came here. So by this way you can verify all the certificate. I can verify one more certificate also. Just I am opening QR code reader. Now I am going to upload one more certificate here. Example Kumar certificate I am uploading here. That's it. Just click the link. So it will generate the blockchain hash data from the certificate. Just click verify. Once you click verify means same. Certificate is authentic. So department CSE, Kumar, date, marks, everything you can relive. Okay. So you may have doubt. What happened? We modified the QR code. We generated fake certificates. So I create a solution for that too. Here we have created some fake QR codes here. This is the fake QR codes we are going to check. We have modified the original QR codes. We added some other content. We have generated fake QR codes. So what will happen now? Let's see. Just open the project folder. Open the same QR code viewer. So in the same QR code reader, just upload the image which you are having. This is the fake QR code, fake certificate I generated. Just click this one. But the blockchain data, this blockchain data not available in our system. Not available in our Ethereum network. Just click verify. So verification failed. Why? Because this is the fake blockchain data. It is not available on our server. Okay. So I can upload one more certificate also. Just open QR code reader. Again I'm going to upload one more fake certificate. So one more fake certificate I'm uploading. Just click this. So it generated the same address here. Click this. This is the hash data of that first fake certificate. If you are modifying the original certificate means the backend of hash data will automatically change it. So if you are verifying means it will not match with the server. So the verification failed. That means it's a completely fake certificate. Surely it will work. Okay. To get this project, please contact IEEEexpert.com. We do provide this project for better price with complete document, report, presentation, installation.